Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play another very beautiful chord taken from C major. This will be C add 4, C add 4. Very easy chord to learn, so let's get started. This is the sound of C add 4. To play this chord, you just play the C major chord. To play this chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret. That'll be C major. Okay. So C add 4, you just place your 4th finger, your little finger, on string number 4 of the 3rd fret. Okay, and you'll strum that. It'll be like an F note. So this is how you play C add 4. Okay. And again, that's played by placing finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret. That's a C major chord. And to play C add 4, just simply place finger number 4 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. Okay, this is the sound of C add 4. Okay, if you like this video and like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button after the video. I'd appreciate any comments that you have as well, or any other lessons that you would like to learn. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscription so I could easily be found. You'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. Thanks for all of my current subscribers. Appreciate your support and your many comments. Appreciate everyone viewing this lesson today. Have a great day. God bless you.